Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Report, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
I'm Carol Massar along with Tim Stanovec, and with us, Bloomberg News equities reporter Alexandra Semenova. So let's talk about some of those weekly moves. What's your number one stock here?
I'm going to have to go with Carvana. This is a hot stock right now. This is a really good turnaround story. We love an underdog. It is pretty much on fire right now. Shares surged to an all-time high this week after it reported revenue during the second quarter that exceeded analyst estimates. It also posted a six-fold increase in net income and record quarterly sales. And the interesting part, guys, this stock is up 10,000% from its low in 2022. It's notably delivering a massive blow to kind of bearish arguments against the stock. Famed short seller Jim Chanos publicly shorted it earlier this year. He said the profits are primarily coming from the sale of its loans and not from actual used car sales. Obviously, this earnings report is kind of negating that argument. He also said it's overvalued, and yet it is still going up. It's up 10% this week and about 160% over the past 12 months. And more broadly, short sellers took a really big hit on it. They lost $7.42 billion since the end of 2022. This is according to data from S3 Partners. So a lot of naysayers really disappointed by this incredible run.
Ticker CVNA, shares up 81% so far this year. Microsoft also on the move this week.
Yeah, that is another company. It became the second company in the world alongside Nvidia to hit a $4 trillion market cap earlier this week after its earnings results. It didn't quite close there, but it's still close. It basically confirms through its report that it is the leader in artificial intelligence spending and the boom, and its results also showing that it's finally paying off those efforts.
All right, and then we've got to go, of course, ticker MSFT for Microsoft. FIG. We have to go.
Does it count as a week when it only started trading on Thursday?
Well, given the moves, it might as well be a week. It had a volatile second trading day today. It rose as much as 333% above its initial public offering price before pairing some of those gains, and 250% after its public debut. Really incredible. Some of its shareholders raised $1.2 billion in the IPO. And what's notable, too, is it is far above the $20 billion mark it would have reached in the now scrapped merger with Adobe. It is used to design web and mobile application services. This was a big victory for the company, and a big victory for IPOs. Really.
Yeah, absolutely, right? Like we saw some IPO flow this week. I'm just going to mention Generac Holdings. Ticker is GNRC. It is the number one gainer in the S&P 500 this week, up about 23%. Bit of a shameless plug, but we're going to be talking to the CEO on Monday. So I kind of wanted to mention that. And we've just seen some outperformance there. And of course, it had reported earnings this past week.
I'm going to miss that interview.
You are? You're going to...
I'm sad. I'm excited to hear and listen to it.
He's going to be heading out on vacation for a week.
Oh, very nice. Are you going anywhere fun, Tim?
Yeah, but you know. Yeah. Top secret.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I don't want, you know.
He's kind of a carnival kind of guy.
Yeah.
Clowns,
yeah,
roller coasters,
definitely.
splash pools.
I'm actually the carny.
So many places we could go. Alex, thank you so much.
Have
a great weekend.
Have a
Bloomberg
great
News
weekend.
equities reporter Alexandra Semenova.
The Stock Movers Report from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.